Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to online classes. Today's our topic is angles. What is an angle? When two rays or two line segment, otherwise two line intersecting each other, then it formed an angle. An angle is formed when two rays or straight lines meet or intersect at a point. Then here OA and OB meet, two rays are meet at O, then it formed an angle AOB. Next OA and OB at two straight lines intersecting at O, then it formed an angle AOB. That is this one BO, then this one is also an angle, this one is angle, this one is V angle. Then the rays forming and the angles are called arms of the angles. That is arms of the angle. What is the arms of the angles? That is OA and OB. These two are OA and OB are. Listen, the ray OA and ray OB. OA and OB are the arms of the angle. Then when we meet the point, that is intersecting the point, is this O is called the vertex. The intersecting point is called the vertex. OA and OB are arms of the AOB. Then we can see the angles in every figure. Then look at this clock, that is it is 12:15, time is 12:15. Then it formed an angle. These two handles are make an angles. Then cross the road. It formed four angles here. It formed four angles here. The road cross each other. Then it formed four angles. Same as a table calendar. Table calendar. Look here. This side, that is these two faces are formed an angle here. These two faces are formed an angle here, same as in the opposite side. Then naming of an angle. How to name an angle? Naming an angle. The symbol for angle is this. Angle means a small angle. Write in the form of an angle. There are three ways of naming an angle. Three ways of naming an angle. There are three ways of naming an angle. For example, listen, in this picture, PQR is an angle. PQR is an angle. Here QP and QR are the arms. QP and QR are the arms, and Q is the vertex. Q is the vertex. Listen, QP and QR are the arms and Q is the vertex. Then the name of the angle, we start from one end points from a ray. Then angle PQR. The name of angle is written as PQR or RQP. RQP. Listen, PQR or RQP. Listen here, PQR and RQP. What is the similarity here? The Q is the middle of the name. In three letters, Q is the middle in both. दोनों में Q बीच में आ गया है. Why? That is Q is the vertex. Q is the vertex, so Q is written in the middle of the three letters PQR and RQP. Then Q is written in the middle of this where QP and QR are meet the arms of the angle. The vertex Q is always written in the middle. Then angle 1 when 1 is any number. we written as angle 1, that is the angle degree of the angle. Angle 1, yeah, otherwise you can name here angle 1. Listen here, here write in the middle portion, in the inner portion of this angle, we written as 1. That is, this angle is called first angle. At second angle, you can give any name, 1, 2, 3, any number. Then also it is read as angle Q. Also it is known as angle Q. Then interior and exterior of an angle. Then you can understand the meaning from the word, in the words also. Interior. Interior means inner part and exterior means outer part. Then in AOB, exterior means the inner outer points of this angle, and interior of an angle means inner points in an angle. The green shaded part between the arms is called the interior. Green part is called the interior and the pink part is called the exterior of the angle. When P lies interior of the angle, that is the P is called the interior point in an interior. Next, types of angles. Types of angles, different types of angles. Last time we learned the different parts of the geometry, that is the point, parallel lines, horizontal lines, slanting lines, then also the perpendicular lines, intersecting lines. Today we will learn types of angles. That is, angle is measured in degree. Angle is measured in degree. Degree are represented by the symbol. Degrees are represented by the symbols. That is, the different types of angles according to their degrees. According to their degrees. You know, an angle whose measure is equal to 90 degree is called a right angle. Have you see the protractor? Then protractor, you can see the degrees 10, 10, 20, 30, 40 to 180 tak. Then when an angle is 90 degree, then it is called a right angle. Then it is called a right angle. When an angle have 90 degree, then it is called a 90 degree. Then when an angle have less than 90 degree, then it is called a 60 degree. Then it is called a, one angle have less than 90 degree, then it is called a acute angle. Then it is called a acute angle. When one angle have more than 90 degree, 90 degree से ज़्यादा है, then it is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle 90 degree से कम है, then it is called acute angle. 90 degree, then it is called right angle. Less than 90 degree, then it is called acute angle. More than 90 degree, then it is called a obtuse angle. Then goes through your exercise. Which of the following figures represent an angle? Look here, two lines goes there. Then they are not intersect at meet at a point, then it is not formed an angle. But here two rays meet here, then it is formed an angle. Then same as here, two rays meet at this point, then it is formed an angle. But these two lines are parallel lines, they are not meet in any point, so this one is not an angle. Next question, in the given figure, name the angle. Listen, BA and BC are the two rays. That is, the name of angle is ABC. Name of angle is ABC. Then you can write angle ABC. Angle ABC. Next, the vertex and the arms of the angle. Vertex. Vertex of the angle means, you know, the intersecting point is called, meet the point is called the vertex. That is, B is the vertex. Point B. Next, the arms of the angle. Arms are BA and BC. The sides. BA and BC are the sides. The points of interior of the angle means interior means inner part. That is E and F. Point E and F are the interior points and G is the exterior of the angle. That is the points in the exterior equal to point G. Next, classify the angles as a right angle, acute angle or an obtuse angle. That is, here angle is 90 degree. You know the angle is 90 degree, then it is called a right angle. One angle is more than 90 degree, then it is obtuse angle. One angle is less than 90 degree, then it is called a acute angle. Here one is 90 degrees, so it is right angle. 140 means more than 90 degrees, so it is obtuse angle. One angle is less than 90 degree, then it is called a acute angle. This one is 20 degree, then you can tell the answer. Then now you open your copy and do the exercise in your copy. All of you draw the picture, draw these diagrams using a pencil. Don't use the pen. You write with your pen, blue pen, but draw with a pencil only. You draw in your copy using only the pencil.